How to turn on or turn off auto scan documents and text in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on camera app. Now I click on this four dot icon and click on this settings icon. Now in settings, scroll down and you will see scan documents and text is here. So if you want to turn on scan document and text, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see scan document and text is turn on. So if you want to turn off scan documents and text, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see scan documents and text is turn off. So you will turn on or turn off scan documents and text from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off auto scan documents and text in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.